Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will search about the application of Messenger and you will enter here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to